What? Check this out, neighbor. It's a 78. I think it's a Punch Spirit 50cc, something like that. I got this last week also. So this, you got pedals and a 50cc motor. I rode it the other night. The front brake sticks, the kill switch doesn't work, and it has like off the line. I mean, it's only a 50cc. It's not gonna have a lot of power anyway, but I mean, it's like a real turd. So I want to clean this carb and get it to run a little better. But I rode it to get dinner the other night, so it runs. Oh, every time you kick the thing backwards too, it knocks the chain off. Yeah, it's got this third handle on here, and the guy was holding this and kicking the pedal to start it, and this is how he was shutting it off. I'm guessing it's some sort of engine brake. Oh, don't put the camera down. Turn the gas up. It starts up pretty easy. It's definitely an engine brake. Well. There you go. Gotta let go of that engine brake once it fires up. The headlight and taillight work. The brakes work, but they stick. Just feels like all the cables have to be looped up and everything gone to. There's really not bad. From the start, it would be ducking. And once you get moving, it will go. The other night it didn't take off that bad. It's not vibrating. It's a little So the other night it wasn't as responsive with the throttle. That actually worked pretty good. Let me clean it up. Cleaned up pretty good.